Unbox this. Whoa. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video is going to be unboxing slash hauling. Going to be unboxing and haul, and it's been so long since I did this kind of video in my channel, and so if you guys are interested for this one, then just keep on watching. So for those of you who are new to my channel, my name is Princess and I do makeup looks, makeup products, reviews, skincare reviews, name it all. Unbox this two boxes here. Got this one from StyleKorean, and I won another Try Me Review Me products from them. And this time this is Innisfree. Thank you StyleKorean and Innisfree for sending this products for me to test this out. I'm going to do a separate video for this one. Going to see it. So does have a pouch one, and we have two products right here, or three I guess, because they have this one right here. This is the True Care kit, and then we have the True Care Panthenol 10 Moisture Skin, and this True Care Nano Sunscreen SPF 48 PA Triple Plus. So I'm going to do a separate videos for this one to do a reviews. I'm going to show you guys the products inside of this on that video, so stay tuned for that one. So the next unboxing is e.l.f. Cosmetics. These ones are the ones that I bought, and they just came in today. So first I have here is this one right here. This is e.l.f. Skin Hit Kit. This is the hemp-derived cannabis skincare. And then the next ones are sheet masks from them. So another video. So as you guys can see, I have a lot of them here. And then next I have these lip lacquer in the shade of Love Bite. Then I do have these Wow Brow in the shade of I think deep brown. So this is how it looks like. And then I've got their brand new duo, blush duo. Got the bite-sized face duo right here. This one is the liquid glitter eyeshadow in the shade of Bling Bling. Have their new e.l.f. concealer. This is the hydrating camo instead, and this time I've got a little bit darker shade. So here I've got their Say Bye to Dry hand cream. These are their new ones. And then because of the pandemic, you will get a free hand sanitizer from them. And then I've got this free when I bought $25 worth of their products. This is their beautifully precise multi-blender massager. I don't know, it's a massager. So I think that's it for you guys. I hope you guys like this video. Please give this a thumbs up, and see you on my next video. Bye.